Fourth sum, the given PDF is a probable density function f of x. So, probable density function PDF f of x is equal to k e power minus x by 3 where x is greater than 0, 0 where x is less than or equal to 0. I need to find k. First I need to find the value of k. Next I need to find the distribution function, nothing but caps f of x. The cumulative distribution function or distribution function. Caps f of x, p of x less than 3, p of x phi is less than or equal to x, where p of x less than 3. We need to find 5 subdivisions, but first we are going to see. First I need to find the value of k. They given PDF. Solution PDF. If f of x is PDF, f of x probability density function, it satisfies two conditions. What is the first condition? Where x is greater or equal to 0 is the first condition we need to satisfy. Where x is greater or equal to 0, not x, f of x. F of x is greater or equal to 0. The second subdivision is minus infinity to plus infinity, f of x into dx is equal to 1. These two conditions should be satisfied if f of x PDF, where f of x greater than 0, this is greater than 0 because the positive value, no, this is one of the positive value. This is the positive value, so f of x is greater than 0. F of x dx is equal to 1, limit minus infinity. I need to apply. I am going to find the value of k. So there is only one present here. How I can put here minus infinity, this is plus infinity. There is only one interval, nothing but 0. So minus infinity to 0. This is nothing but x is less than 0. Here f of x will be 0. Here f of x will be 0. Here 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity means x is greater than 0. Here k e power minus x by 3. K e power minus x by 3 is the k e power minus x by 3 is the function. First apply the function. So this divided into two intervals. First interval is minus infinity to 0 f of x into dx plus next interval 0 to infinity f of x into dx is equal to 1. This function f of x is 0, so I can put imply 0 here. So I don't need to write this. So this one is going to be k e power minus x by 3. 0 to infinity k, where k is a constant, put outside e power minus x by 3 into dx is equal to 1. Because k is constant now, I can put outside. We know the integration. See here, integration of e power x is nothing but e power x. Listen carefully, integration of e power x. Integration of e power x is once again e power x. You need to study carefully. E power x is e power x. Integration of e power x into dx is equal to e power x. So the same format here also. What are you going to use? Nothing but k is a constant. Integration of e power minus x by 3. E power minus x by 3 is nothing but e power minus x by 3. E power minus x by 3. E power x is e power x. E power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3. Next, what I want to do? Next, the same procedure I need to do nothing but differentiate this one. I need differentiate. Divided by this differentiate I need to put down. X differentiate is 1. So here minus 1. So minus 1 by 3. X differentiate is 1. So minus 1 by 3. Next I need to apply limit also. What is the limit here? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity is equal to 1. This minus 1 by 3. This 3 moves upward. This 3 will move upward. So it becomes 3k. This 3 moves upward, nothing but 3k. So minus, so put minus outside. E power minus x by 3. 0 to infinity is equal to 1. First apply the upper limit, infinity. Minus 3k, apply e power minus infinity by 0 is nothing but e power infinity minus e power 0 is equal to 1. E power infinity, first apply infinity. Infinity by 3 is once again infinity, e power infinity minus lower limit, e power 0. So minus 3k, open the bracket, e power infinity 0, anything power 0, e power 0 is 1, is equal to 1. Minus 3k, 0 minus 1 is minus 1 is equal to 1. This minus can be cancelled. 3k is equal to 1, k is equal to 1 by 3. This is very, very important. What is the answer for k? K is equal to 1 by 3. Very, very important. This k I need to apply here. So f of x is equal to, what is k? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 when x is greater than 0, 0 when x is less than or equal to 0. This this is very important. After finding k, I need to apply here. So this is the f of x. This is f of x. Next, what I want to find? Distribution function. Nothing but cumulative distribution function. The second solution is distribution function, or another name is cumulative distribution function. Cumulative distribution function. Both are same. Nothing but caps f of x. We have a formula. Caps f of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to x is equal to minus, that is minus infinity to x f of x into dx. Minus infinity into x. Minus infinity x f of x into dx. I will write once again. It's x. Minus infinity x f of x into dx. Now I need to apply this integral properly. What is the limit we apply here? Minus infinity to plus infinity is only interval is 0. Only interval is 0. Here f of x will be 0 because x is greater than 0 only present. Here f of x, what will be f of x? F of x is nothing but 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. Here f of x is 0. Here f of x is present 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. Case 1. First I need to study case 1. What is case 1? When if you are going to see this function exists for x is greater than 0. This function exists less than or equal to 0. If x is less than or equal to this one. So I need to choose case 1 where x is less than or equal to 0. X is less than or equal to 0. Apply this caps f of x. Caps f of x is equal to, what is the limit here? Minus infinity to 0. I need to apply minus infinity to 0. I should not put 0. When I apply cumulative function, I don't put 0. The last limit I am going to put as x. X f of x into dx. Since here f of x is 0, I can put straight answer as 0. I can put straight answer as 0. Case 2. What will be case 2? When x is, this is less than or equal to 0. Then other case will be x is greater than 0. So x is greater than 0. For cumulative distribution function, I need to move year to year and year to year. You have studied third sum also, from year to year and year to year. How two intervals will be occupied. Therefore, caps f of x is equal to integration of minus infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0. This is the first one. Plus 0 to infinity. But I can put 0. But I should not put infinity. I should put only x only. X only. Here f of x into dx. Here also f of x into dx. Since here minus infinity is 0, f of x is 0, this will be 0. 0 plus here 0 to x. 0 to x. What is f of x here? 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3. 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 into dx. 1 by 3 e power minus x by 3 into dx. So now I can apply the same formula. The same formula. 1 by 3 is constant. Put outside. Open the bracket. E power minus x by 3 integration is e power minus x by 3 only. E power minus x by 3 is e power minus x by 3. But I need to divide. X differentiate is 1. So I need to put minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Limit is 0 to x. 0 to x. This 3 can be easily cancelled out. I can put minus outside. Minus, open the bracket. E power minus x by 3. Limit 0 to x. Limit 0 to x. So minus let it be outside. First apply upper limit. E power. In place of x, apply x itself. Minus. Lower limit. E power. 0 by 3 is 0. E power 0. So minus, open the bracket. E power minus x by 3. Minus. Anything power 0 is 1. Put 1 as it is. So multiply inside. If you are going to multiply inside, this minus into minus plus become plus. Plus 1 minus e power x by 3. Now I need to write caps f of x. Caps f of x. What is the first answer? Is nothing but 0. What is second answer? 1 minus e power minus x by 3. When this will occur, 0 is occur when x is less than or equal to 0. This will occur when x is greater than 0. So we have found caps f of x. We have found caps f of x. Next, what we want to find? We need to find still third subdivision and fourth subdivision too. Still we need to find next third subdivision. What is the third subdivision given here? Third subdivision something, but we need to find p of x is less than 3. P of x is less than 3. We need to find p of x less than 3. You know the formula, f of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to x. Since it is a continuous function, we don't need to worry this less than or equal to. Here less than or equal to present, here no less than or equal to, but we don't need to worry. Why we don't need to worry? Because this is a continuous function. We don't need to worry for less than or equal to. I have told first itself, in continuous function, less than or equal to. For example, p of a less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b, we can write f of b minus f of a also. We don't need this one. We can write p of a less than or equal to x, less than or equal to b. We can write p of a less than x, less than b. We don't need to worry for that. We don't need to worry for that. We don't need to worry for equal symbols because of continuous distribution function. We don't need to worry. Here equal to present, here not, here no equal to. We don't need to worry. Both are same for continuous. Same here also. The same we going to use here also. F of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to x. We don't need to worry. Here, what is x? Here x is nothing but 3. X is nothing but 3. Therefore, what you can say? P of x less than 3 is equal to f of 3. Is equal to f of 3. What is f of 3? Check here. F of 3. What is f of 3? F of 3 is equal to 1 minus e power minus 3 by 3. How I can write? See, f of 3. If I need to put in place of x, apply 3. F of 3 is equal to 1 minus e power. In place of x, apply 3. Minus 3 by 3. Minus 3 by 3 is equal to p of x less than 3. Both will be cancelled. 1 minus e power minus 1 is nothing but p of x less than 3. Otherwise, we can write 1 minus 1 by e. E power minus 1 can be written 1 by e is equal to p of x less than 3. This is the third subdivision. Next to fourth subdivision. P of 5 is less than or equal to x. P of 5 is less than or equal to x. For this we need to change the characters. P of x is less than or equal to, I can change it greater or equal to 5. Greater or equal to 5. We know a formula. What is the formula we know? The formula is nothing but, what is the formula? P of x greater than x. I can write 1 minus p of x less than x. If it is greater, I can change 1 minus. I can change because for less than or x only we have formula. X less than or equal to we have formula f of x. For greater we don't have any formula. So I need to convert 1 minus. 1 minus p of x less than 5. The same. See, less than 3 f of 3. Less than 5 f of 5. 1 minus f of 5. 1 minus f of 5. Less than 5. Less than 3 means f of 3. Less than 5 means f of 5. So, what I can put 1 minus, open the bracket, f of 5. In place of small x, apply 5. F of 5 is equal to 1 minus e power, in place of x, apply 5. Minus 5 by 3. So, 1 minus, multiply inside minus 1. Minus into minus plus. E power minus 5 by 3. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So, e power minus 5 by 3. What is the answer? E power minus 5 by 3. This I can write 1 by e power plus 5 by 3. Plus 5 by 3. So, we have finished fourth subdivision also. Next, the last subdivision. Last subdivision. P of x is less than or equal to 4. We know the formula. P of x less than or equal to x is nothing but f of x. The same. P of x is less than or equal to 4. We can write as f of 4. So, in place of x, I have 4. So, apply 4 here. Therefore, how we can apply 4 here? F of 4. 1 minus e power minus 4 by 3. 1 minus e power, in place of x, apply 4. Minus 4 by 3. So, this is the required answer for this sum. It's one of the biggest sum, but don't need to worry. Very easy sum too.